Previously, on round 2 of Battle of the Burgers, we witnessed some of the best cooks from across the UAE go head-to-head to earn the judges' top scores, with everyone putting together their best efforts for a chance to compete in the World Food Championship in Dallas, Texas. And today, we move on to round 3. You're watching Cucina del Sul's Battle of the Burgers.
Welcome back.
Hi.
Battle of the Burgers, session 3.
Session number 3.
There are 28 contestants, 7 sessions, 4 chefs per session.
Remember, this is part of the World Food Championship. So the winner, it could be one of the guys from this session, has the chance to win a golden ticket and to compete in Dallas against some of the world's best burger makers.
The burgers are getting more creative by every session. Obviously, the chefs, we're going live every time and they're analyzing the burgers. And
it's going to be interesting to see how the judge is going to respond.
My name is Aziz. I'm Sharafi. Been cooking for a long time. I went to MasterChef in Australia. I progressed well. Then I couldn't continue for the competition. I cook for friends of friends, events. I do catering as well. So I'm actually doing a Parisian style inspired burger. And let's see, either it works out or I just took a risk that I should not have done.
My name is Youssef Fraiwat from the Instagram page Grill with Youssef. Excited to be here. This is my first sort of competition or my first public appearance. I usually grill in my backyard. And am I nervous about the competition? Absolutely, because I do follow these guys and I know what they're capable of doing.
Hi guys, I'm Danni. I'm from Amsterdam. I'm a DJ producer and I love to cook, so that's why I'm here. Making a smash burger with cheese, of course, and caramelized onion, beef bacon, and grilled buns, and the secret sauce. Pretty nervous, but I'm used to pressure, so we're just gonna do what we're good in.
Fred, represent Smoking Beards today. I'm super excited to be here today. I saw the name of the 27 other contestants. It's going to be a very tough battle. I'm really looking forward for the fight.
It's now time to get started with 10 minutes on the clock for each contestant. Just enough time to put together their best burger. Starting with Aziz and his Parisian-style Z1 burger.
You have 135 gram patty that's made out of chuck meat. Underneath the patty, there is a base sauce, that's a mayonnaise, brisket, ribeye, some arugula, some homemade mayonnaise, 3 types of pickles.
how excited are you?
I am very excited. I took a risk. I have a risk today. So it either goes
well or not.
Well, exactly. But the bigger the risk, the bigger the reward.
Yeah. Let's see.
So let's see how it goes.
And next up is Youssef with the crowd pleaser. Let's check in on his progress.
For a freshly baked burger bun, you will find a pesto mayo sauce. There's a double beef Angus made up of 3 different cuts. So we have chuck, we've got brisket and short rib. And you have, of course, stretchy mozzarella cheese in there. The tomatoes glazed with balsamic reduction. And just a couple of basil leaves for that aromatic warm taste, not to overpower the taste of the burger.
Next up is Danni with the Whyte Choco.
Double patty smash burger, American cheese, my secret sauce, and caramelized onions, veal bacon, fat from the veal bacon.
And last but not least is Fred, who went all out with a 12-hour seasoned Angus brisket on top of the burger. Hence the name, the Sloppy Bob.
Brisket on burger. It's basically a potato bun, toasted, coated in the Smoking Beards original. We have aged cheddar, and then of course a large spoon of creamy homemade coleslaw.
As the cooks put together their final touches, let's check in with the judging panel of round 3 of Battle of the Burgers.
Hi everyone, I'm Chef Raymond from Atlantis, Japan.
Hi, my name is Cucina del Sul.
My name is Mohammed Sul. I'm the executive chef of Danni Business Bay.
My name is Reef Hoffman. I'm a chef owner of a restaurant called Reef Japanese Kuchiyaki.
Hi, I'm Lydia from Lydia's Kitchen.
And time's up for the cooks. And it's now time to face the judges, starting with Aziz and the Z1 burger.
All of us agree and said that I think our is good.
The taste, the mayo, I couldn't taste the caramelized onions, so there were a lot of things that he described that I couldn't find.
I love the burger, but also missing that little seasoning.
A bit more seasoning?
Yeah, I think it may be because you season on the grill, so that means everything just sort of fell off, and that's where we're losing it.
I hope the judges liked it. I saw some faces and I saw some satisfaction in those faces.
Next up is Youssef with the crowd pleaser. Let's see how pleased the crowd is.
The idea is nice, the buns is good, it's dry. Somehow it's balanced with the cheese and pesto and tomato, but I wouldn't order it again.
I liked it how he was going for a smaller patty and then he wanted to layer it and then put cheese so it's like really cheesy.
I was a little worried. I thought it went well. I really enjoyed myself up there.
And it's now time for Danni with the Whyte Choco.
It's perfect. It's perfect balance. Everything is perfect.
And the meat is cooked.
The meat is perfect. Juicy.
I think he went under a lot of pressure.
I see he's under a lot of pressure, but really, we had a very nice result. Yeah?
Burger was excellent. Very, very good. Beautifully seasoned. I think the balanced meat, bread ratio.
I hope they like it. My hands, look at my hands. Shaky and sweaty. You're standing in front of a crowd, so you know you're reading them, and when they start moving, you know you're doing something good, you know, and then you need to eat that energy and put more into it.
And last but not least is Fred with the Sloppy Bob. This one is what everyone was excited about.
I really, really, really wanted to love that burger. I didn't love that burger.
It was great, but it wasn't like a great party in my mouth.
Under seasoned. I thought the brisket was dry, the patty was dry.
I'm super excited. I have the feeling that the judges liked the recipe.
The judges' scores are in. Let's find out who is one step closer to the World Food Championship in Dallas, Texas.
Whyte Choco!
Thank you. It was very stressful, and when the judges came with this announcement, I was speechless. I worked for it, so deep in my heart, I wanted it.
Session number 3 is over and done.
We're full. We're happy.
It was a tough session, huh? It was a tough session.
It was very tough.
We had a very strong judging panel.
You know, the analysis across the board was very similar.
Yeah.
You know, from the first judge to the last judge. So we could tell that the feedback was sort of spot on.
It's not about just competing here in our cucina. This is about going to Dallas and competing against 30 like just top-notch burger guys out of the US and out of the rest of the world. So we need to up the game and we need to represent Dubai's burger community. We'll see you in the next session of Battle of the Burgers. Stay tuned. Session 4 coming up.
Good night.